Are you tired of being told to ditch your precious financial model, but you know that it's under stress and something needs to change? Is the weight of manual corrections and endlessly downloading spreadsheets dragging you down? Welcome to a new era. The solution crafted by actual accountants that simply can't give up that vital Excel model running your business. Gone are the days of limitations. With AccountingBi, empower your reports with flexibility while ditching manual tasks, allowing you time for genuine financial planning and analysis. But here's where the magic happens. With AccountingBi, you're not just creating reports, you're gaining extensible access to the financial data. It lets you integrate Xero, Zoho Books, Sage, QuickBooks, and more to create consolidated reports across for multiple organizations at the same time. Instead of making you use a restrictive report builder, AccountingBi allows you to build your real-time financial dashboard directly in Excel and PowerBi. Organizations with multiple locations or departments can define permissions to additional users and data pathways to ensure only the right people can view the right data. Practicing accountants and CPAs, you can manage multiple clients or groups of clients, keeping their data confidential. From accounting firms to multinational companies, we got your data covered and secure. Because it's not just reporting, it's a collaborative financial journey. In the world of financial reporting and FP&A, choose liberation over limitations. AccountingBi, where restrictions vanish, manual tasks disappear, and enterprise-level reporting becomes second nature. AccountingBi, making your month-end reporting a whole lot easier.